Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Firefox had an update today, and now we are at Firefox 150.0.2. In that small update, there's quite a few little fixes, so they have fixed a few things, including issues where websites on internal corporate networks require a login prompt would show a blank page. Highlighting on scan images and built-in PDF wouldn't work well. New badge persisted on split view. Webcams had a problem with video calls, and a few other things, including the navigation bar that would flicker and stuff like that. But there's also security fixes in here, and these are 3 high severity fixes, 4 high security fixes that are very important to fix. Of course, high severity means it is important. So if you had some issues with Firefox, then all you have to do is go into the upper right corner hamburger menu, go down into Help, go into About Firefox, and you will be updated to 150.0.2. If you don't really have any problems, at least the security flaws should make you update, as it is important and it's what makes you safe on the web. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.